Say hello to my wet hair and my fuzzy pink robe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing the long-awaited mixing of the Fanola No Yellow mask and the No Orange mask. So these are the two bottles. This one is blue toned and this one is purple toned. I'm going to show you guys what it ends up looking like when I mix them both on my hair. It should be interesting, like an interesting little experiment. We're going to be scientists today. And as we are doing it, you guys will see the comparison and hopefully the formula differences and the color differences. If you guys have not seen my Fanola No Orange demo and little review, I will link it for you guys so you can go watch it. But I also have the Fanola No Yellow line little demo and review. If you guys want to watch that, I have both. So you guys will know what is the best way to get platinum blonde hair. The Fanola No Orange says that it will give you kind of an icy look, so more Elsa status. The No Yellow is going to take the yellow tones out of your hair and make it, you know, more platinum white maybe. I don't know. There's a difference. And when I watched the other video that I did with the No Yellow, I did see a difference in tone of my hair. It kind of makes it a little bit more of a silvery kind of look. I did use the No Orange shampoo before doing this, so it is a little bit toned like that icy shade. Let's get to it and mix both of these together and see if they are better mixed together than separate. So just like my previous videos, I have my little mixing bowl here and my tinting brush, which is what I use to apply my bleach and all of my masks. So we're going to see how these are mixed together. First, I am going to do the No Yellow mask, and I love these because they have pumps. It's so easy. You don't even really have to touch it with your hands if you don't want to, if you use a tinting brush like the way I do. So I'm gonna put it in here, and that's that in there. It is definitely a darker purple. And if you guys watched my No Orange demo and review, then you will see that the No Orange mask is very different colored than the No Yellow. It looks like this kind of robin's egg blue and this dark purple. So it's very bizarre, but let's mix them together and see what happens. Here we go with our little experiment. So I'm gonna take my brush, I'm going to try to do this on camera, mix it together. So it makes kind of like a lighter violet shade when they're mixed together. I'm gonna try this much that I have in here, and I might have to make up more, but here we go. Just like I did with the previous videos, I'm just gonna put it right on the roots and bring it along these areas. That was a big glob that I put in there. Woo! It's kind of weird. As you blend it out, of course, it ends up being like two-toned. It's kind of weird. The purple is kind of disappearing a little bit more, and the blue is showing more, which is very odd. I feel like I might end up looking like a Smurf, but we'll see, right? We'll see if I have that blue hair. But I highly doubt it. It washes off really nicely. What's nice about these Fanola masks are that it really does wash out well. With all my other like toning conditioners and things, they never really washed out nicely. They kind of stuck around the tone, and it was kind of hard to get everything out when I was showering, but this is really nice. And I also do suggest that you rinse it out with cool water, as cool as you can handle. Of course, at the end of my shower, I like to use cold water to close all the cuticles of the hair shaft. I think that's how you say it. And I'm not a hairstylist, obviously. That's what I like to do, and of course, like all my other videos, you know the drill. I take it and I put it on the underneath part and kind of section it like as if I am bleaching my hair. So I make sure I get all those sections that can usually get missed when you're using a toning treatment. If you don't use a tinting brush, it's really hard to get all those areas. So I'm bringing it down, keep adding it, and definitely under this part does not like to be toned. It really doesn't. The bleach doesn't really take as well. So I really like to get that spot extra toned, if you know what I mean. So, and especially these areas right by the ear, that part is so important because especially if you're wearing ponytails. You guys know the drill. I think I will fast forward it and you guys will see the end result when I am done sectioning it off and adding all of the stuff to it. I'm also noticing I haven't had to add more to my bowl because I feel like, oh my gosh, that's interesting. Okay, just a little clump of purple, you know, that's how we do. I haven't had to mix up anymore because the purple I feel like lasts a little bit better. I really don't understand why, but it does. So I'm almost done with this side of my hair and I'm gonna do the other side and I will fast forward it for you guys so you aren't too bored. That's pretty much the amount that it gets you, half, like about half side of your hair. Now that we are nice and purpley blue-ified, I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes, and that is how long I'm going to leave it in, because what is awesome about the Fanola no yellow, no orange masks are that you only need 5 minutes to tone. My old toning conditioners that I used, I left in for 45 minutes to get the results that I get with this stuff in 5. It's crazy how amazing it tones your hair. I can't wait to see if mixing the two colors helps tone it any more, but really when I did the no orange mask just by itself, it was really great, but I feel like with the no orange and the no yellow together, it'll just be the perfect combination, and we'll have to see. So I'm gonna wait 5 minutes. I will be back. I will wash it out and show you guys how my hair looks wet, and then you will also see it when it is dry and all finished and everything, and hopefully I'll look like Elsa, because I love looking like Elsa status. Who doesn't? Because Elsa is beautiful. I will be back in 5 minutes and show you guys the results. Me and my fuzzy pink robe are back. Did you miss us? So I washed everything out with cool water, as cool as I could stand while I was in the shower. And oh, let me tell you, it was cold, but it was worth it. This is how it looks, just wet. And as you guys have to be able to tell, I mean, the toning that has happened, it's insane. It looks so icy and platinum, and I am so excited to dry it off and see how everything looks dry. It's crazy how much it toned it. So mixing the two together, so far so good. I'm going to dry my hair, and like that, I'll be back. And just like that, I am beautifully platinum icy blonde. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. It is so great. It's perfectly toned. Got that nice icy look to it. So mixing both of the Fanola, no yellow, and no orange masks creates this beautifulness. Like, I love it. It is so pretty. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit closer. I can't stop touching my hair. Sorry guys. I'm gonna get you guys closer so you guys can really see what it looks like up close. So this is how it looks up close. You can see the beautiful icy tones. Everything is toned absolutely beautifully. I think that mixing the two really created this beautiful toned icy look, because I don't know, I think both of them together is fantastic. This is so pretty of a shade. Just by using those two masks, this is what happens. I am amazed at our experiment. I think it is awesome. So if you guys kind of look at it like this, you can see the beautiful icy tone it gives. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna give you my final thoughts and then we're gonna wrap this up. So guys, overall, mixing these two creates a beautiful, icy, perfectly toned platinum blonde. So if you guys are looking for that and you happen to have both of these, you don't need both of them, but I think that it created the most beautiful shade yet. So I really love these both, especially if you guys have more orange tones. The no orange is awesome. It will really get rid of even yellow tones too. The no yellow will definitely get rid of your yellow tones, but if you really want this icy look, I suggest using the no yellow and the no orange together to create this beautiful icy Elsa status hair. So as I said before, I love Fanola products. They are amazing. Yes, I might have been sent these products, but they are some of my favorite products I have ever used. I didn't have to say anything positive about them. They wanted my 100% honest review, and so I am giving it to you guys. I love Fanola products. They're absolutely amazing, especially if you are a blonde. They also have more in their line. I mean, they have the NutriCare line, which is amazing. That's my daily conditioner that I use. Makes my hair so freaking soft. I love it. They have all kinds of leave-ins, all kinds of stuff. And if you guys are interested, I have a coupon code for Fanola, so you can look down below and get yourself some money off when you buy these. I'm not just saying it, guys. I seriously love these products. I use them all the time. They are my new favorites, and I will forever be a Fanola girl because they are amazing. Yeah, I'm weird, but I love these products, and I hope that you guys will too. So if you happen to have these two masks, it's a fun little experiment to mix them together and see what happens. But with my hair, this is how it looks. I just like flip, right? I don't know, I can't stop like playing with my hair. But this is how it looks and is just the perfect icy platinum blonde tone. So if you're looking for that, mix both of them, or just use the no orange or the no yellow, depends on what you're looking for. But if you want this icy shade, mixing them together is amazing. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, please give it a big thumbs up. That always helps me out. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can become a part of my Lustrous Beauty family. If you're interested in my social media, all the links are linked down below for you guys. For all of my vlogs, they are on our new vlog channel called Our Young Family, and that's also linked down below so you guys can go check those out. Make sure you leave me a comment if you have tried Fanola products let me know what your favorite is. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to stay lustrous. Woo!